Ever wonder why successful people all do this, while your savings lose value to inflation and the stock market feels like a ticking time bomb? The ultra-wealthy protect and multiply their fortunes by investing in art, something most people ignore. This isn't about decorating your walls. It's a smart financial move to shield wealth from crashes and inflation. While you guess which stocks survive, they place bets on tangible assets that have outpaced traditional investments for decades. If you think art investing is just for museums or celebrities, you're behind. The wealthy use it to diversify risk, gain tax advantages, and hold assets that can't be devalued overnight. Investing in art means buying pieces that appreciate over time, independent of the market. It's a stability and growth tool that most overlook. They're not smarter, they just play by different rules. To break free from financial uncertainty, you need to understand and use alternative assets like art. If you want to grow financially, make sure you follow me. Your future self will thank you.